That's gonna be nice.
Less than the size of my hand. Don't like that at all. I love how just sleek and like simple it is. Ooh, I know what this is too. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chera if this is your first time here. So in today's video we are doing a major Amazon haul. I recently placed kind of a big order from Amazon and I'm going to be opening up my packages with you. We're going to be unboxing and just kind of giving you guys my first impressions on each product. So if you guys are excited to see what I picked up from Amazon, keep on watching. This is a very random haul, so I wasn't necessarily shopping for specific items on Amazon, but there were a few things that I've seen from other Amazon videos that definitely influenced me to want to pick those up. So you know how we all keep our snacks. We have snacks that we love, and then when it's time to put them away, we never have clips. We never had the proper clippage. I never had the proper clippage. So I decided that it was time for me to get some bag clips. Okay, so these are the bag clips. These are chip clips. They are by the brand Chef Craft Clip. And they came in 4 different colors. So blue, green, purple, and orange. So this was a pack of 4. Nice size chip clip. I was afraid it was going to be like that small chip clip, but no, these are nice sized clips. And I'm happy to have them. And I feel like these will be clips that we won't lose, you know, because they're not small. Okay, so this is, ooh, I know what this is too. So I love wine, guys, but I don't like the process of opening the bottles. So I decided it was time for me to get, you know, to let my bougie side take over. And I got me an electric wine opener. So that way I don't have to struggle getting the wine open. And this is what it looks like. So this is the Ulster electric wine opener. And it just looks like this. This was $20 from Amazon. I hope that I love this. This got really good reviews, like over 20,000 purchases of this. And so I feel like this is gonna be a perfect addition to, I don't know if I wanna put it in the kitchen or the wine cabinet. I love how just sleek and like simple it is. It comes with the charger and it comes with, oh, it comes with the stand. So this is the stand. I guess this is the charger stand. So I probably will put this in the kitchen. This would be a nice little cute, this would be nice to go in the corner. Now how do I clip this? Oh wait, this is the bottom. So how do we get it on? Oh, no. I'm already struggling, guys. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it sits in the holder like this, and then you can just easily kind of like put it in a corner, or if you have like a bar cart, you can put it on the bar cart. I have this is a whole bag of stuff here. So next thing I have are pet related. So if you have a pet, specifically a cat, this is going to be for you. Make sure nothing else in there. Okay, so I have 2 cats. I love them dearly, but I am always trying to find ways to keep the smell down, and the best way to do that is to just clean out the litter boxes as often as you can. But things that you can use to help you along the way would be any type of stain or odor eliminator. And so this came highly recommended on Amazon, and I was searching for odor eliminator, pet odor eliminator. This is the Rocco and Roxy Stain and Odor Eliminator. Completely removes pet urine. So I guess from the litter box, if you have carpet and they maybe pee on the carpet and the curtains, any type of fabric upholstery, this is supposed to work. It says it is safe for carpets, pets, and children. Permanently eliminates odor. Natural bioenzymatic formula. Makes stains disappear. So so furniture, carpet, for cleaning up pet urine, vomit, feces, and more. So if you have pets and you've been looking for a good stain cleaner. I've never used this before, so hopefully it's good. I hope that it's good. Yeah, I'll have to use this. We'll come back to this in a couple months to see how this works. And then the next thing I got for my pet is these litter box deodorizing crystals by Fresh Step, and they came in a pack of 3, and it was only $12.99 for this. So I forgot to mention the price for this. I think this was like $20. Yeah, $20, and the chip clips were like $6.99. Normally I do use baking soda, and while that does help, it's not long lasting. So I wanted to see if I wanted to try this out and see if this helps and works better. So we'll see. And the last item that was in the bag were these edge brushes. I only had one for starters, and then the one that I had, I got rid of it because it just was gooey. So I got a 4-pack of this. These, I think, was like $5-6 bucks. So very affordable. If you're a curly girl or you just like your edges slicked, okay, got that for you. Next, let's see what else is next, guys. I always place orders on Amazon, and I always forget what it is I ordered. That's it. That means I shop too much. Okay, so keeping in line with the pet theme, one other thing that I got for my kittens was a cat litter mat. So I just wanted to get a bigger mat because I'm going to be putting their litter boxes side by side. And this is just a large size mat. This is by the brand Gorilla Grip. And this is their large cat litter mat, so that it'll catch anything under their paws or anything like that. So this will sit underneath the litter boxes, and so when they jump out of the box, it should hopefully keep down the waste and them from tracking litter all throughout the house. I am getting new floors, so hopefully this will be very helpful. This was $16. Stainless steel wine stopper. So not only did I get a automatic wine opener, I also got, this thing's gonna be a pain to put in. I can already tell that's gonna annoy me. I also got these 2 bougie wine stoppers. So it just seems like, along with the chip clips, I never have enough wine stoppers. Maybe because I'm drinking too much wine, I'm not sure. So I got these 2 bougie ones. This is black stainless. These are black stainless steel wine stoppers by the brand Omno. This is Omno. It looks like, you guys see? Yeah, Omno. They're very pretty, and I guess you put them on. Yeah, you put them on. Has like a little thing on the inside. That's the stopper. You put it on the bottle, and then you clamp it down like that. And that's supposed to keep the wine secure. This came also really highly rated. It had different colors. It had rose gold. It had silver. I don't think they had yellow gold, but they had rose gold, silver, and this came in a 2-pack. And it was a little bit pricey because they had other ones that I obviously could have gotten if I wasn't trying to be bougie, but that's just me. I'm always trying to find affordable bougie ways to implement into my daily life. What else? Oh, and then these last 2 items. These are snacks, guys. So I've been on you guys know I'm trying to lose weight, whatnot, but I still have a sugar tooth, and I just love these. These are 6 net carbs. This one little bag is six net carbs, and these are the gummy bears by Project 7. I tried 1 pack out. They're $3.99, so that is expensive for a pack of gummy bears this size. But they were $3.99 a pack, and I love them. They taste just as good as the other ones. It tastes a little, you can tell that they're more, that the sugar in it is more natural, if that makes sense. It has a more fulfilling flavor, whereas when you're eating like a regular gummy bears, which I love my regular gummy bears, don't get me wrong, I still love them, but you can tell that the sugar is artificial. So I'm gonna crack one of these babies open. There we go. We are on our last box. Okay, so first thing I pick up is this flat surface. Have no idea what this is. There's no name on the box. So let's just see what it is. Oh, okay. So yeah, this is actually more hair stuff. So I purchased these crocodile clips. Oh, they're small. I don't like how small they are. The ones I have already are like twice this size. I don't like how small these are. They seem real secure though, but they're like the size of, less than the size of my hand. That's how small they are, guys. Less than the size of my hand. Don't like that at all. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep those. There's 10 in here. I also picked up 3 hair combs. These are called rat tail combs, and this came in a pack of 3, like $4.99 for these. So hopefully actually I thought that the steel part of it would be a little bit skinnier. So this is the steel part. I thought it would be skinnier. I've had skinnier ones, but this I'm sure will be fine. And then the star of the show. This is what made me want to purchase, just make a purchase in general, and then I bought all that other stuff. Like, you guys should see all this stuff. Like, you should see this pile. I hope my boyfriend doesn't watch this. My boyfriend watches every video of mine. He watches every one, so he's gonna be like shaking his head when he sees this. Okay, so then the next item I'm very excited to get, and this is the Home Hero Professional Knife Set. Okay, now I know you're saying, Chera, I'm sure you have a knife set. Of course I do. I actually have 2 sets of knives, but one of them I don't really use because the blades are they're done, and then the handles are sticky, so they're cracked. So I'm gonna get rid of those. And then the current set that I have, I still use those. Like that was gonna get transferred to like the drawer, you know, like the everyday. I already kind of transferred it into the drawer, but now it's really gonna be in the drawer. And honestly, I was gonna like do a transition in the kitchen, but I probably can just leave it like that. But anyway, I wanted a really pretty nice set because I didn't want a whole bunch of stuff on the countertop. But when I saw this, I was like, oh, it's gonna look so pretty. It's gonna look so pretty. This is the stand. It's an acrylic knife stand. And then I'll just put one or two knives in here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. This is the, I think this is some type of peeler. Oh, that's the scissors. Okay. And then this is the knife sharpener, which I probably won't keep on the counter. This is the 2-function peeler. I've never used a peeler like this before. This looks crooked. Very sharp though. Crooked but sharp. This peeler, the blade little thingy on here is crooked. Yeah, I don't know about that. I might have to reach out to them, see if they can give me another one. And then this is the scissors that it comes with. The quality, I was expecting the quality to be better. I will say that. Okay, so it does have a little card in here that says not happy for you to give the information. So I will probably reach out to them about this peeler. I'm sorry, but this thing was expensive as hell. It was $50. So this is the box. It comes with all of the knives. I have an emerald knife set. Oh, I love this. That's why I love this. I forget, the knives are black, which I love. But I have a stainless steel knife set from Emerald. Emerald Lagasse, and it's very nice. And the knives are great. They cut great. So I am comparing that to this, but I love the black. And look at the ridges on the knife. So that's kind of the idea of what it will look like. Oh, that's gonna be nice.
That's gonna be nice.
Yes. No, I didn't call you. I'm still filming. You can come in. I want the people to see you.
I got my scenic geometry.
You did? Wow! That's wonderful! That's wonderful, boo! Keep up the good work. That's a great. Your grade jumped two grades. That's wonderful. Mommy is proud of you. She's been struggling in school. I'm very proud of her. She had an L, and now she has. So yeah, this is the bread knife. Yo, I love the black. I hope they stay black. Okay, Pete, this is the cheese knife. I've never owned a knife like this, but this is what it looks like, guys.
This is fire.
This is fire, and this is a beautiful display. This is fire. So you see why I had to get it, okay? It just makes sense. I had to upgrade. I'm still gonna use those other knives because I can see that I probably won't even want to touch these.
But I'm still gonna use those other knives.
So guys, that completes my Amazon haul. If you guys like this video, this first impressions video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and join my little family over here. We talk about all things DIY, home decor, home projects, lifestyle stuff, self-care. I'm all about self-care, self-betterment, and just trying to level up in life. So if you guys like that kind of content, please do subscribe. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say thank you for hanging in there and watching with me. If you guys want any of these things, I'm going to link everything down below. I am working on the Amazon storefront, so we'll also be leaving that in future videos. But yeah, thank you for joining me today, and I will see you in my next video.